I made some sausage earlier today and got home and then realized that that I forgot to put some fucking cheese. I got Grana Padano. It calls for pecorino in it, but I'm gonna use Grana Padano. So now I cased all these fucking, there that way, all these sausages. Came back here, I'm gonna add cheese to them, so I gotta cut them all back open and throw some cheese in. I'm gonna show you what they look like now, and then when I'm done, I'll just show you what they look. Well, I'll show you how to stuff some sausage. Alright, anyways. So real quick, I am going to clean these casings. I got them soaking. They are hog casings for, I'm doing Barese. I don't know if I said that right. It's a Italian style sausage with tomato paste, sun-dried tomatoes, basil, some other shit. And I'll put the fucking recipe down there later. Anyways, you're supposed to use lamb casings. I didn't want to use those as they're super delicate, so I'm just going to use some pig casings that I got. Chop, chop. And I'm going to just show you how to clean them real quick, because you want to clean them out. Here we go. So, they're in the sink. So, they come with this sweet little ring that holds them together. I'm just going to grab one right now. They smell like foot. Gotta find the end. You open it up. There you go. Alright, just turn the water on. Pinky out. And you run water through it. Some people will first kind of blow through it. It almost fills up like a fucking balloon. I wish I could show you what this looks like. But anyways, obviously there's a hole right there. So I'm gonna cut that right there. I'll cut it right there so that that's not getting, meat doesn't come out. By me, that is the meat grinder sausage stuffer. I got all the meat in there, so I added the cheese. Over here, that is the sausage casings. I got some scissors, and also right behind it. See, I want to see if I can. That's a toothpick. So air gets in your casings, you want to be able to poke that shit out. Anyways, you don't want to start off with this fucking chamber empty. So I'm going to turn this fucker on. Boosh. And let's see. I'm going to push some meat through with this fucking thing. I want to get some in. You basically want to just push some out so that you don't start your whole deal off with a bunch of air gerbils. Air Jordans. And here we go. See? And then it starts pooping it out. And you turn it off. So I gotta put some gloves on so I can catch this. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to glove up. I'm gonna stuff this shit. Lube this fucker up. Lube it up. Also, the down here, you want to be wet so that the sausage can slide around and shit. I got some water over here. Alright. So, got this all covered in, I just used some oil. I got some sausage casings right here. I'm gonna grab one. And then you just slide this fuck on. Find the end. Open her up. Slide it on. So you get about right here. It's hanging off. Tie a knot. Tie a knot, pull to the knot. Now you can see there's some air right there, so I take this toothpick, poke a hole, so release that air, and we are ready to start stuffing some sausage. So you want to keep your hand kind of right here, a little bit of tension, so that it's stuffing, but the whole time your left hand is basically pushing this shit down the hole. There are hand crank versions which are better because it doesn't create heat, but this is what I got, so I'm using it. Either way, I'm just showing you how to fucking do it. Fucking do it. Fucking dirt. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this guy on, and this will be it. So I'm just keeping a little bit of pressure. I want this guy to fill up a little bit before I kind of let it go. And my left hand is over here shoving more fucking meat down this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to roll this shit. This is how it is. I have kind of a thing. I'm not a professional. I just watched a shit ton of videos, and you start right here on this side, and I'm going about like, I don't know, 5 inches in or something. You know, I'm gonna pinch this guy. You want to try to make sure that you got everything squeezed out from both sides. Let's see if I can show you. Hard to show. And then I get the other end, I pick another about 5-6 inches or so. And then I start off with rolling away from me. So I'm pushing away from me on this one. So you see I got 2 sausages now. And then I rotate it. I'm gonna find the next spot, which is about right here. And the next length of sausage, which is about right here. I kind of pinch it. You know, you don't want to be super aggressive with it because it will snap it if you are. And then you roll that one towards you. And then I'm just gonna alternate from there on. So next one will be away. So I'm pinching on both sides, trying to make sure not to fuck it up. I'm gonna roll away. So that's really tight. If it is loose, you can kind of twirl a bit more, and then it will tighten it up. Alright, so next one is towards me, I think. I'm gonna fuck that one up, but I think I'm right. So squeeze on both sides, and I rotate towards me. Alright, you're at the end now. So this is the last one. Usually what I try to do is towards the end, to start pushing some of it out. You can kind of grab the end and squeeze some in to try to make it just as, girthy, just as girth, just as much girth. Alright, I'm just gonna push that way. Kind of fucked on this one. This is gonna be really hard because I need a lot of room to tie this guy off right here. Make this right. Let's see what happens if I take a little more out. I'm gonna take that again. See if I can tie that off. Kind of hard when it's that short. We'll see. Fuck it. Well, either way, that's that. So at this point, normally what you do, I use a toothpick. There are specific things to do. You want to relieve the pressure, any air pressure that, or, well, not even pressure, just air bubbles that's in there, you want to poke out. So I go around, do a couple pokies. You can, with certain sausages, you leave them held together. Other sausages, you can cut them and then call it good. I vacuum seal this shit and sous vide it, but that's that. Thank you.